Hey guys, today we are making chocolate blueberry muffins. They start off with a super soft and fluffy chocolate muffin base that's loaded with fresh blueberries and chocolate chips. They are then topped with a luscious blueberry icing. They are so simple to make, no mixer is needed, and the recipe makes either 6 jumbo size or 12 regular size. They are, of course, gluten-free, eggless, nut-free, and they can easily be vegan with a few tweaks. So come on, let's make them. We're going to start off by taking our gluten-free flour, granulated sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and kosher salt, and we're just going to whisk together until combined. So simple, even my littles are helping me do it. We're going to make a well in the dry ingredients. Next, we're going to take our cornstarch and water and mix them together until it is thin and watery. It will be thick and tacky at first. Pour it into a bowl, add in our milk, vegetable oil, and pure vanilla extract. Then we're just going to whisk until fully combined and emulsified. It might take a couple seconds. Then we're going to slowly mix it into our dry ingredients, and once it gets too thick, we can switch to using a spatula. Fold in our chocolate chips, and then we're going to take our blueberries and toss them in a little bit of flour just so that they don't fall to the bottom of the muffins. Then we're going to fold them into our batter. We're going to scoop it and fill our muffin tin. We want to fill it to the tippy top because we want those muffins to get that gorgeous height just like from a bakery. We're going to smooth the tops and add a few more chocolate chips and just gently press down so that the chocolate chips stick. Next, we're going to bake it for about 28 minutes. While they're baking, take our blueberries. We're going to microwave them in 20-second increments, smash them, and keep mixing for about a minute or so until they're jammy. We're going to mix it into confectioner sugar, add a little bit of water, and then we have this gorgeous, all-natural blueberry icing. The color is stunning. We're going to drizzle it on the top of our muffins, and that is it. I hope you guys love these chocolate blueberry muffins as much as my family and I do. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent, gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.